Leica Camera AG is an internationally operating premium segment manufacturer of cameras and sport optics products. The Leica's cameras are compact line, featuring only the fastest, best quality lenses, and have top-performing CMOS sensors. One of the most famous names in photography, Leica popularized 35mm film, and is best known for its iconic rangefinder cameras. In addition to its rangefinders, Leica also produces medium format, compact, and modern-style mirrorless system cameras. So if you're looking for one, then we can help you with some of the best in the business. Check out our new video to get more details about the latest products on the market. The Leica TL comes with a newly developed 24.2 megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor and the Maestro 2 processor. It enables multiple high-end features, including 20 frames per second shooting with an electronic shutter, UHD 4K video at 30 frames per second, and Full HD video at 60 frames per second. Also, with the electronic shutter, which can provide shutter speeds of up to 1/40,000 seconds as well, the Contrast Detect AF system is enhanced with 49 points and a vastly improved speed. Besides, it boasts 32 GB of internal memory alongside a UHS-2 SD card slot. Moreover, it features integrated Wi-Fi connectivity, and through an optional mobile app, the user can remotely control settings. Another advantage is that it has a USB Type-C port with USB 3.0 functionality, which is available for high-speed data transfer as well as USB charging. The Leica M10 offers a redeveloped 24 megapixel full-frame CMOS sensor and Maestro 2 image processor. The M10-P yields high-resolution imagery with an extended dynamic range, high sensitivity to ISO 50,000, and a continuous shooting rate of 5 frames per second. It features a slim body profile reminiscent of M-film cameras, and the larger 0.73 times magnification optical viewfinder allows for more great composition and focusing accuracy. Also, it is equipped with rear 3.0-inch 1.04 m.2 touchscreen LCD that features a Gorilla Glass cover to guard against scratching and light impacts. Besides, it sports an integrated Wi-Fi module for wireless sharing and remote camera control from a linked mobile device. Moreover, the rubber seals are used to prevent the entrance of light rain and dust to enable working in inclement conditions. The Leica TL2 offers a newly developed 24.2 megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor and the Maestro 2 processor. It enables multiple high-end features, including 20 frames per second shooting with an electronic shutter, UHD 4K video at 30 frames per second, and Full HD video at 60 frames per second. Along with the electronic shutter, which can provide shutter speeds of up to 1/40,000 second as well, the Contrast Detect AF system is enhanced with 49 points and vastly improved speeds. Also, it boasts 32 GB of internal memory, alongside a UHS-2 SD card slot. Besides, it features integrated Wi-Fi connectivity, and through an optional mobile app, the user can remotely control settings. Moreover, it can also be used with the optional VisoFlex external electronic viewfinder for eye-level monitoring. The Leica CL is a compact, sleek, mirrorless digital camera that offers intuitive control and a versatile range of imaging capabilities. It provides a 24.2 megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor and Maestro 2 image processor combination. Also, it's capable of producing high-resolution stills at up to 10 frames per second and UHD 4K/30p video, along with a sensitivity range of ISO 100 to 50,000 for working a variety of lighting conditions. Besides, it has an integrated IEEE 802.11b/G/N Wi-Fi, which allows you to connect iOS and Android devices wirelessly. Moreover, it offers users the ability to combine both full-frame SL series and APS-C TL series glass. It has an 18mm f/2.8 wide-angle prime lens, which is designed for APS-C format, L-mount mirrorless cameras, and provides a 27mm equivalent focal length. Holding the first place among the list of best Leica cameras, we have the Leica C-Lux. It offers a 20.1 megapixel 1-inch MOS sensor. Both high-resolution stills and UHD 4030p video can be recorded. Also, the sensor's design affords a top sensitivity of ISO 25600 to enable working in low light, and a high 10 frame per second shooting rate is also available for photographing moving subjects. Besides, it has a 15 times optical zoom, Leica DC Vario Elmar lens, which covers a 24 to 360 mm equivalent focal length range for photographing in a broad variety of situations. Moreover, it offers a rear 3.0-inch 1.24 m.2 LCD monitor, which features a touchscreen design to support automatic image playback and menu navigation. Another advantage is that the screen also has an oleophobic coating to prevent marks and fingerprints. Thanks for watching.